This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Billy Brown and Tanya Wall. The perfect VRBO or vacation getaway, tastefully remodeled, granite counters, hardwood floors, freshly painted, LP gas freestanding fireplace, Anderson windows, attached one-car garage, laundry closet in the office / bedroom / craft room. Covered front deck with metal railing, fenced yard to keep the pets safe. One-car garage can be additional living space, or you may need it for your bicycles and kayaks. Tiny water view. Birch Bay's warm waters are popular for paddleboarders and kayakers. The newly finished Birch Bay promenade just a block away. Low speed limit Birch Bay roads great for bicycles and golf carts. Use for a residence, weekends, a vacation rental, or a combination of them all. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Billy Brown and Tanya Wall at 360-220-7175.